What are staged accidents and how do they relate to fraud? Have you ever wondered how some car accidents seem too strange to be true? Staged accidents are exactly that. They are intentional collisions set up to trick insurance companies into paying out false claims. In these scenarios, fraudsters create or manipulate car crashes, often involving innocent drivers or accomplices. The goal is to claim insurance money for damages or injuries that either did not happen or were exaggerated. These staged accidents usually show minimal vehicle damage but come with inflated or made-up injury claims. This form of auto insurance fraud can lead to serious consequences for everyone involved. It increases costs for insurance companies and, ultimately, for policyholders like you and me. Let's look at some common types of staged accidents. One popular scheme is called the swoop and squat. In this case, one vehicle suddenly cuts in front of a victim's car, forcing them to brake. A second vehicle closely follows and crashes into the victim's rear, making it look like the victim caused the accident. Another type is the drive down. Here, a scammer waves at a driver to back out of a parking space and then deliberately crashes into their vehicle. Then there is the bullet left turn, where a fraudster waves a driver to turn left and intentionally collides with them during the turn. These schemes often involve multiple participants. Sometimes, there are fake witnesses or even corrupt medical providers and attorneys who help inflate injury claims to maximize payouts. This makes it even more difficult for insurance companies to detect the fraud. From the perspective of car insurance, staged accidents are a significant risk. They lead to higher premiums for all drivers, increased costs for claims investigations, and potential legal consequences for those involved in the fraud. Insurance companies are aware of these risks and use various tools to combat them. For instance, they may employ dash cameras, conduct thorough claims investigations, and utilize fraud detection techniques to identify and prevent staged accident claims. For drivers and fleet operators, being aware of these scams is vital. Installing dash cameras can provide evidence in case of an accident. Documenting all accident details carefully and reporting any suspicious behavior can also help protect against becoming a victim or an unwitting participant in staged accident fraud. Staged accidents are intentional collisions created to commit insurance fraud by submitting false or exaggerated claims. This directly impacts car insurance costs and legal processes. Recognizing and preventing these scams is essential for maintaining the integrity and affordability of auto insurance.